Tracking your spending isn't about restricting your freedom. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge. Every dollar you spend has a story. By keeping track, you are in control of that story. You might be surprised at how small unnoticed expenses can add up. A coffee here, a subscription there, it all adds up. When you track it, you can make more intentional choices about where your money goes and align your spending with your goals, making sure that what you spend actually gets you closer to your goals. That goal can be happiness. So don't get me wrong, you can spend money wherever makes you happy, but the point here is to be intentional about it, knowing where you're spending and why. That's it.